ऐसे लोगों को लेके बैठोगे वीडियो में तो ऐसे ही होगा.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do our first episode of our new series called Can You Answer This? So, this series is completely based on quizzes and challenge videos. So, guys, I won't take your much time and skip will start rolling. You will meet new faces on every new episode. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy it. Let's start. Okay, so how are you guys? How are you doing? How's the lockdown going?
Good.
Good yaar, but
Fine. Just going on. So, guys, are you ready for this quiz video? Our first episode of Can You Answer These?
yeah.
Yes.
So,
Definitely
this quiz is going to be like I'm going to show you some flags and you have to guess the country and its capital.
यार ये तो मार दो बस.
Kavya, are you ready?
Not really, but what can I do? Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, that's a good spirit, right? Okay, so let's start with our first question.
Okay.
Okay. Hi, Nandi's.
Is it easy or difficult?
It's all right. It's one of the
Okay,
known
not
countries,
too
so
bad. Yeah,
not bad, Mike. Not bad.
not too bad.
Okay, on count of 1, 2, 3, you guys are showing your answer together.
Or
One, 2, and 3.
Yay!
Canada, Oda. Yeah, that's right. The flag is Canada and the capital is Kavya.
Ottawa.
Ottawa.
Wait कर रही है काव्या.
Right. Good.
ओई
कहीं तो देखा हुआ है. कहीं तो देखा
कहीं ना कहीं तो देखा.
Wait. Why did I see this? I'll tell you.
यार ये तो बकरा बनाने के लिए ही किया है शायद आज.
अरे कुछ तो है.
नो मैन.
Okay,
I think I know this.
big hint. This is an European country.
Okay.
हाँ
Famous for ski
हाँ.
and famous for castles.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I think I know. Yes.
Castles.
Beautiful castles. I've given 3 hints. Time up, show guys.
Austria.
Matching.
Vienna.
Sweet. That's right. It's Austria and the capital is Vienna.
नो यार मुझे तो कुछ नहीं मालूम.
Vienna. It's Vienna.
Wait, Vienna?
Vienna.
Vienna.
It's Vienna.
What Vienna? No, it's not Vienna.
I know. I'm just saying.
ऑस्ट्रिया.
And very.
कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला मुझे.
हो जाएगा आंटी सिंपली अभी. Hey,
Oh, I know this.
I know this. Yeah. Printed any other topic to choose? Seriously?
Yes.
I know the country, but I do not know
Hey
the.
Google.
Stop. No Google, okay?
So,
Time up.
I'd be wrong.
Huh.
Now I feel I'm wrong.
No.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. I said many times.
It looks different.
Can you show me? Can you spell
अफगानिस्तान.
it?
Pata Kavya, what is that?
Can you spell that?
I told you,
What is it?
It's Afghanistan.
अफगानिस्तान.
Afghanistan.
It's Turkey, but I think I don't know the rest. I think मुझे partially याद है वो. I don't know.
आंसर क्या है किरण?
Okay, it's Turkey and capital is Ankara.
See.
तो इस्तांबुल किसका है भाई?
इस्तांबुल जो इस्तांबुल वाले उनका है.
So,
Seriously?
क्या था? ये तो यार highlight है.
Okay, I'll give that point to Rizwan. आज लाल लाल कर रहा हूँ मैं सब कुछ.
This is good. डॉक्टर है बीच में एक.
ये तो मालूम है मुझे शायद.
All flags are red, right? Because I'm wearing red, bro.
मेरा दोस्त रहता था उधर.
Say hi to him through my video. Come on and ask
అరే
him.
భాష నీదే అనుకుంటారా ఇది?
अरे this is my favorite one, yeah. इसीलिए याद है मेरे को.
It's an honeymoon destination.
Yeah, बस खत्म हो गया. This is the biggest.
अरे
This
मैं
is,
गलत.
Time up. Show me.
मुझे पसंद, मुझे जाना था.
I love this.
Oh my gosh, Vinay. It's a honeymoon destination, bro. Switzerland. Capital is Bern.
Yeah.
यार मैं तो बस मेरा बकरा बन गया मैं.
It's definitely a must, like Paris, Switzerland.
ठंडी हवाएं.
हाउ ये स्विस करके रहता देख सिंबल. हाउ.
इसीलिए वो बीच में प्लस सिंबल देखते ही
हाँ
मतलब
हाँ 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 मैं स्वीडन सोच लिया. बेइज्जती हो जा रही यूट्यूब में मेरी. यार तू कुछ नॉन कंट्रीज दे सकता था.
अरे यार इंडिया में कुछ नहीं.
ये क्या के नीचे है इस पे लिखा हुआ है रे बाबा. मैं खाली जानता रहे थे इसमें.
Hint do.
हिंट जरूरी है भाई.
This country runs on dictatorship.
Hey, hey.
Dictatorship is very
कुछ
good.
तो आ रहा है. तीन नाम आ रहे हैं दिमाग में.
Second hint. It's famous for mass games.
ये दूसरा वाला कंफर्म हुआ.
Third, this country has predefined haircuts. All men's and all females should have similar predefined haircuts. They have to choose haircuts from those haircuts only.
सेकंड क्लू क्या बोला तू? मास गेम्स.
Mass games.
हाँ भाई हिंट दे रही है देखो.
हो गया?
Yeah.
Time up. North Korea. Exactly, it's North Korea, and this point goes to Vinay. Guess what? He has guessed the last word of
उसका
capital.
कुछ अलग नाम है लाइक वी कांट प्रोनाउंस. योंग यांग.
It's Pyong.
Yeah.
It's Pyong.
ये कुछ कलरफुल भेजा इसने.
यूनिवर्सिटी के.
Whatever it
Yeah,
is,
this is
very
कौन सा तो
good.
भी कॉलेज का वो जो
ओ सिंबल की तरह.
कंपनी उसका फ्लैग दिख रहा है.
ये तो keys है.
This is the smallest country in the world,
Yeah, okay, thank you.
and this is country within country.
आई.
मेरी तो बेस ही रेडी है.
नहीं मेरे को तो याद नहीं है लेकिन ये बोला एक
रिलीजियस कंट्री आई कुड गेस बट कैपिटल में.
Time up, guys.
Don't judge me.
No. When I say stop, you have to stop, guys. Come on.
I don't know. I don't even know this.
I don't know.
Vatican City and capital is Vatican City too.
Is it? Wow.
रिलीजियस कंट्री स्मॉलेस्ट कंट्री
So
आई कुड गेस.
Rizwan ने अपना खाता finally खोल लिया.
मैंने फाइनली खाता खोला है.
यार ये दो कंट्री का फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहा हूँ मैं फ्लैग सही में.
Last question. Okay,
लास्ट.
and this will decide who loses and who gonna have the surprise.
So, you don't need to tell me that again, okay?
ओह कम ऑन यार.
यार ये
Seriously?
येलो ब्लू एंड
बहुत irritate कर रहे हैं.
येलो ब्लू एंड रेड. The thing is
For this,
सेम पूरे रहेंगे.
you only one hint.
हाँ.
अच्छा Holland.
This city is famous for emeralds. Emeralds from, not city, sorry, my bad. This country is famous for emeralds. The emeralds from this country is world famous.
Something with B probably, I think.
Is it anywhere closer to
Okay, closer to American continent.
exactly?
Closer to American continent.
Confirming, but
Okay.
मेरे को capital नहीं आता शायद. The responsibility to give a hint, Kiran.
I have given the big hint.
यार ये कंफ्यूजन अब मैं यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज हो गया डेफिनेटली. मैंने कुछ तो
इज इट
लिखा
क्रिकेट
था.
प्लेइंग नेशन, फुटबॉल प्लेइंग नेशन, ऐसा कुछ तो भी दे भाई. वो फ्लैग ऐसी याद है मुझे.
अब
That
हार्ट अटैक आ रहा.
that country just famous for emeralds.
अब मैं इससे ज्यादा अब इससे ज्यादा प्रेशर नहीं ले सकता इस मामले में. तो छोड़ दिया जाए.
Last 10 seconds. 10,
यार फ्रस्ट्रेटर तो बोल यार.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ding. Oh my gosh. Okay.
मैं कुछ नहीं लिखा. कुछ नहीं लिखा मैं.
You don't write anything, okay?
I've written the name and I've written the letter with your hint.
Ooh.
Colombia and
Is that
people.
correct?
Sorry?
What is it?
Bogota.
It's not Bogota, it's Bogota.
It's Bogota. It's right. Rizwan is right. So this point goes to Rizwan.
यार कोलंबिया कोकेन के लिए फेमस है यार. वो एक बोलने तो मैं लिख देता था मैं.
Dude, we are anti drugs and anti
Yeah,
such
I
things.
नहीं उस नार्कोस देखा मैं.
By the way, guys, we are here on tie between Vinay and Kavya.
अभी ये क्या है कि पनिशमेंट क्या है समझ नहीं आया अभी तक.
हाँ, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं है वो क्या है.
नहीं, टाई ब्रेकर तो होना चाहिए ना.
नहीं नहीं
टाई ब्रेकर चाहिए.
Something else that you want us
तुम
to
तो
do.
मजे में हो भाई.
भाई अपन जीत गए इसलिए बोल रहे टाई ब्रेकर करा दो.
कुछ correct करवाओ ना please, Kiran.
This is a tiebreaker question between Vinay and Kavya.
पिछले जन्म का
ये देख.
बदला ले रहा है ये बंदा. कुछ तो स्टार दिया है देखो.
तारे जमीन पर.
अरे यार.
कलर्स रिप्रेजेंट अफ्रीकन कॉन्टिनेंट. ये तो मुझे लग रहा है.
Vinay, you are right at some point. It comes in African continent, and hint is the coffee is originated in this country.
I know the country.
अरे पीटी में था ये. परसों डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखा मैं.
Why actually?
मस्त रिलेट किया भाई आपने.
हमारे medicine में
पीटी.
बोलते हैं.
परसों 40 मिनट्स को डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखा मैं. वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट कॉफी एक्सपोर्टर है वो.
Originally, coffee is originated here.
Another place.
कैपिटल थोड़ा मुश्किल रहेगा इसका.
आता है. When he said that. And
से कैपिटल जो है क्वाइट सिमिलर एक ब्रांड का नाम है.
10 seconds.
नहीं यार मुझे कुछ क्लू दो भाई. कंट्री याद ही नहीं आ रहा मुझे.
अच्छा उसका अगर और एक हिंट दे सकते हैं. am I allowed to give a second hint by chance for बेचारे they are struggling so I feel bad for my companions.
Okay.
Chalis chor.
Final 10 seconds.
Some Chalis chor.
Come on.
Kiran, yeah, this is like straight. This is
I
the
know.
capital.
I just know the half.
Okay. 10, 9,
शू पहन के कोई गया 40 चोरी करने.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My clock is so fast because I've given to so much of time. Come on, guys. It's your turn to show now.
Show time.
Show time. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Kavya, we can't hear you.
Sorry. मैं थोड़ा
Ethiopia.
बार्बाडोस में तुक्के में लिखा. लेकिन I don't think.
नहीं. It's close.
First part was correct. Kavya, yours is
Yeah, the first word is right. It's Addis.
Adidas.
Not Adidas. Come on.
Adidas, but
It's Addis Ababa.
Addis Ababa.
यार
Alibaba.
मैं भी बाबा लिखा ना.
Ali, इसलिए मैं that's why I was saying Alibaba 40 चोर, you know.
मैं फर्स्ट अली लिखा तो काट के भाग इथोपिया में परसों डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखा यार, एडिस है उसका
बार आता है मेडिसिन में.
Okay, so
एडिस.
we got clear loser here, somewhere here.
Who is that?
And the prize punishment is he has to eat 3
आइसक्रीम
green chilies.
आइसक्रीम
Oh, 3 green chilies.
Please.
Green chilies. So Vinay is ready to eat 3 green chilies.
यार तूने मुझे 3 नहीं बोला, 1 ही बोला.
Vinay,
Vinay.
come on, hurry up, come on.
यार इट इज टू मच यार, बहुत कड़क है ये.
Okay, show me.
कड़क, एकदम कड़क.
Reading through
चाय पी लेने का.
That's my lockdown, bro. We support you.
यार हैदराबाद ऐसा नहीं होता ना, ये कच्चा खाते हैं.
भाई आग लगा देना मंच पे.
Let's start.
यार 1 इज फाइन यार.
No, 3.
तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही.
1.
We,
Second.
come on. इसके बाद दूध पी लेना, खत्म.
योगर्ट ला लियो.
सही.
चिल्ली तो बटरमिल्क में डुबा के खा लो.
हाँ.
बटर
Come on, Vinay, you can do
मिल्क में डाल के खा लो.
it.
Oh my god.
ये तीसरा है.
तीसरा.
Start with the tiebreaker.
Good job.
फ्रोजन है ना.
उसने खत्म कहा. हाँ, अभी खत्म किया. Yay!
Good job.
So, guys. Okay, guys, this was our first episode of Can You Answer This? So.
Please like this video.
Please subscribe.
Please comment below and let us know what other videos would you like us to make. What other quizzes? We are more than happy to do it.
And share this video. Thank you.
Thank you.